When your bitch breaks down, don't be coming crying to me because you don't have an extra
Oh my god.
car.
I told you this. I fucking knew it. Goddamn dumb asses.
Oh, holy shit!
Harsh detected.
Nhiều plek, xỉu là có điểm nhiều plek.
О! Красавчик! Все.
What's he doing? Oh! Oh my god!
Stop. Got him! Oh,
title for the Emperor of Japan, and it's still in use, even though it got abolished in China after it was...
Hold on! Hold on!
Concession fee. There's soy sauce and then size.
1 minute. 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 1
highest and find happiness. The Renee Fraser Show. Why Women? Wednesday nights at 7 on AM.
Got a box truck ahead. Oh my goodness, look at that. Woo! Okay, he's going to get squeezed in there. He's going to get squeezed in, and there's the collision. Took the door off. Okay, let's see what condition the driver's in. Okay, wow. Did you see that? My goodness. Okay, let's see what happened to the driver here. Did he suffer any kind of injury when that box truck took the door off? It literally ripped that door off here. I wonder if the guy's okay.